1 onion into cups oil. Mix it until the color is brown. Grind onion. Add chicken in the oil and fry. Add 1 kg potatoes. Now add grinded tomatoes 4 to 5. Mix all these very well. Half spoon red chili powder. Half spoon paprika powder. Small half spoon turmeric powder. Now salt is as needed. Add all these spices. Now add 2 spoons garlic paste. Mix all these. You can see that it looks so delicious. Add green chilies taste-wise. Green chilies enhance the taste of food. Now add 3 glasses of water. Mix all things. Add the grinded onion. Now cover the cooker and pressure for 6 minutes.
Delicious aloo murgi is ready.
If you like my recipe, then subscribe my channel for more videos like this.